Hi, I'm Kacper. I'm an engineer at MTS Technik. In this video, I'd like to present the coilover suspension kit designed for 8th generation Honda Civic hatchback. The front axle kit is equipped with threaded shock absorbers finished in gold zinc plating, both featuring the hexacoil adjustment nut. Hexacoils, thanks to the use of a clamping screw, significantly improves the ease of adjusting your suspension height. The springs are produced by the German company eibach. Front springs differ in type depending on your engine variant, and rear springs are ERS type springs with linear characteristics. Thanks to their internal diameter of 60 mm, they allow for very easy replacement with springs of different stiffness. Moreover, the kit also comes in with helper springs to provide preload for the main rear springs. Rear axle is equipped with sport shock absorbers with a shortened stroke, tailored for lowered suspension with increased dampening force compared to the original shock absorbers. Moreover, our kit also includes dedicated bump stops and dust covers on front and rear axle, as well as black anodized aluminum height adjusters and spring caps for the rear springs. Besides all that, our kit also comes in with 2 MTS Technik stickers, an adjustment wrench, and any necessary documentation such as installation manual. Thanks for watching.